Good morning and welcome to MuscleCar Garage. Today we're working on a 1969 Camaro. We're putting a new compressor in there. We're going from the old Freon to the new system. Darren is making a special bracket so that the upper radiator hose doesn't sit on the compressor. So we just installed this brand new compressor. If you come over here and take a look at the dashboard, we had to remove the controller and install a brand new controller. The controller was broken. It was stuck down below. I guess throughout the years, they rust up, they bind up, and when you go to put the air conditioning on, the button breaks. So we had to take the entire dash pad off, and that's what we're doing on this 1969 Camaro. This car was completely done by MuscleCar Garage. Paint, wheels, we did everything on this car, engine, all done by MuscleCar Garage. If you want any work done, call us at 973-758-8944.